Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Wednesday, the 11th of February. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. I'm going to keep this short. We had the snow last night. We'll get some amounts once I kind of go through those, put them up on social. But generally, that coating up to 4 inches well north. Mostly sunny skies for today. Temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. We're going to see some melting. Not much of a breeze, a little bit at times. Tonight, partly cloudy down in the 20s. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, all generally mostly to partly sunny. Maybe a few clouds at times, especially Thursday and maybe again on Saturday. But for the most part, we're looking at a lot of sunshine. The difference will be temperatures. So maybe about 33, 34 on Thursday with a bit of a wind. Friday's gorgeous. What a ski day. Mid 30s. Saturday, gorgeous. What a ski day. You'll have to contend with crowds. Mid to upper 30s. Sunday, mostly sunny with some clouds trying to show up in the afternoon, mid to upper 30s. And then the question is do we see a storm system here for Monday? Right now, it looks like the bulk of that should stay out to sea. It's not impossible that we end up with some sort of President's Day storm, but again, it's still days away. And the trend is that it looks like it's going to stay offshore. The European trying to keep that offshore as we look at the GFS model does get it maybe a little bit closer, but it too is offshore. So, just doesn't look to me like we're going to see anything, but I want to hold out completely discounting it for a little bit. And then we got a few weather systems moving through, but I think the theme here that you're really going to notice is a backing off of the cold. I talked about this yesterday and the day before. I'm not saying it's not going to be cold again, but I think we have turned the corner on the cold. In other words, we're not going to see that prolonged cold anymore. Could we see a day where it's down in the single digits again? Absolutely. Highs in the 20s? Absolutely. But for the most part, the core of the winter cold, yeah, I'm going to say it. It's over. Have a great day, everybody.